Minasan, konnichiwa. O genki desu ka? How are you doing today? Thank you for visiting again our channel. Today we will begin with katakana. Okay, let's start. I'll share a screen. Chotto matte kudasai. Okay, katakana. So katakana, same as hiragana, there are 46 characters, and same as our hiragana sessions, we will divide this into 6 groups. Same, 30 minutes or less for each group. Please write your start time and end time in your notebook when you study. Okay, so let's start with group 1. This is the katakana table. It's the same. So each character in hiragana corresponds with a character in katakana. So same with hiragana, there are 46 katakana characters plus the special characters. The rules are the same. So when you add the 10-10 symbol, the Maro symbol, all of them correspond to the same character, the same reading. Okay. The process, onaji, it's the same. You encounter a new character, use your imagination to remember the story or a keyword related to that character. After that, using your notebook and your writing materials, do writing practice for that character at least 5 times, and then go to the next character until you finish one group. After you finish steps 1, 2, and 3, go to step 4, which is the quiz and the self-test. So when you do the quizzes and self-test, please do not look at your materials because we are trying to test if you remember the characters using your imagination. After you do the quizzes and self-test, step 5 is going to the next group until you finish all 6 groups. Okay, let's start. Group 1, katakana. Again, if you are prompted by this video to think, to use your imagination, to do writing practice, you can pause the video and then restart when you are ready. Okay. Character number 1. So this is group 1, 8 characters. Write the start time in your notebook. We should finish this within 30 minutes. Hai, sozo shite kudasai. Sozo, imagination. Please use your imagination. What do you see? You can pause the video when you are thinking. Okay, it looks like a hiragana character that we already studied, right? So again, each hiragana character corresponds with a katakana character. Actually, katakana is a simpler version of hiragana. Also, the main use of katakana is for foreign words, so non-Japanese words. We call them loan words or borrowed words from other countries. And also, we use katakana for our names because we don't have Japanese names, right? So after you finish katakana, you will be able to write your names in katakana in Nihongo. Okay, so which hiragana character does this remind you of? So this is ri. This is ri. Okay, so imagine a simple version of hiragana ri. So in katakana, there are lots of straight lines. So what is the difference with the hiragana character? Katakana is more on straight lines. Straight lines and corners. Hiragana is more on curves. So we have a note here in katakana, a dash is used to show a prolonged sound. In hiragana, usually when we want to prolong the E sound or the S sound, we use an extra E. If we want to prolong the U sound or the O sound, we use an extra U, right? However, in katakana, we use a dash instead. Okay? So you can pause the video for your writing practice. 2 strokes. Hi, let's go to the next character. Use your imagination. What do you see? Yes, so this looks like hiragana he, right? So this it's the same, onaji, he. Imagine a simple version of hiragana he, or when we use it as a particle in Nihongo, it's silent H, he. So we have a note here at the bottom of the page. This is the only hiragana character that is exactly the same in katakana. Okay, you can do your writing practice. Please pause the video. Character number 3. Okay, sorry about that. Hi. In case you were not able to see it, please use your imagination. What do you see? What character does this remind you of, if any? In case you already saw the answer, yes, this is katakana ka. So it looks like hiragana ka, right? So this, we will imagine a simple version of hiragana ka. So if you have noticed, it is simpler, only 2 strokes. Hiragana ka has 3 strokes, right? So what is the difference with the hiragana version? The last hiragana stroke is omitted. And also, instead of curves, we use corners for the katakana ka. You can pause the video for your writing practice. Character number 4, Sozo shite kudasai. What do you see? Does this remind you of any hiragana character? So desu ne. This is katakana ki. Katakana ki. 3 strokes. Hi, so what is the story? What will we imagine? A simple version of hiragana ki. So this is just the sword. There is no more hairpin at the bottom, right? So the last hiragana stroke, the hairpin is omitted. Okay, 3 strokes. Please pause the video for your writing practice. Okay, character number 5. Please use your imagination. Sozo shite kudasai. What do you see? So desu ne. This is the upper part of hiragana so. Hi, so this is katakana so. This is a simple version of hiragana so. This is equal to the first 2 strokes of the hiragana so version above. We can also write hiragana so in this way. Ne? So important note, the 2 katakana strokes are aligned at the top. You can pause the video for your writing practice. Okay, let's go to the next page. Character number 6. Sorry, sumimasen. Hi. 2 strokes. What do you see? Sozo shite kudasai. Does this remind you of any hiragana? Hai, so desu ne. So this is katakana se. This is a simpler version of hiragana se. So in hiragana se, we have the dagger and the axe. However, this is the simpler version. We omit the second hiragana stroke. Okay? So you can pause the video for your writing practice. Okay, let's go to the next character. Number 7, sozo shite kudasai. Please use your imagination. What do you see? Does this remind you of any hiragana character? Is this a simplified version of any hiragana character? So desu ne. So this is katakana. Yeah. Okay, so what will we imagine? A simple version of hiragana ya. The second hiragana stroke is omitted. The tail at the top. Ne? And also instead of curves, we use corners. Ne? You can pause the video for your writing practice. Okay, let's go to the last character for group 1. Sozo shite kudasai. Please use your imagination. What do you see? Hi. So this is katakana na. Okay. This is a simple version of hiragana na. This katakana character corresponds to only the first 2 hiragana strokes of hiragana na. Ne? And then again, katakana is used a lot in foreign names and words, loan words, borrowed words from other countries. Okay, that is na. You can pause the video. Please write the end time in your notebook and double check if you were able to finish group 1 within 30 minutes. Okay, so that is group 1. Let's go to the next page. Let's review. Hey, これは何ですか? So ですね。ri. Simple version of hiragana ri. これは何ですか? So ですね。This is he. It looks exactly the same as hiragana he. これは何ですか? So ですね。Simple version of hiragana ka. So this is ka. これは何? So ですね。Simple version of hiragana ki. Ki. これは? So ですね。Simple version of hiragana so. So this is so. これは? So ですね。This is the simple version of hiragana se. So se ですね。これは何ですか? はい。Simple version of hiragana ya. So this is ya. これは何ですか? そうですね。Simple version of hiragana na. So this is na. はい。So すみません。I made a mistake. Group 1 only has 8 characters. すみません。はい。Special characters. これは何ですか? So again, same rules with hiragana. When we add 10, and maru to the individual groups, what happens? Hi. So this becomes, so this is be. これは何ですか? そうですね。This is pe. これは何ですか? はい。がですね。This is が。これは何ですか？そうですね。ぎですね。ぎ。これは何ですか？そうですね。This is ぞ。ぞ。これは何ですか？そうですね。ぜ。ぜですね。これは何？はい。So, ki plus small ya. If you remember, it becomes one syllable. So this is そうですね。きゃ。これは何ですか？そうですね。This is ぎゃ。はい。So that is our review for group 1. Okay, so far in our katakana table, we have finished these characters. Please go to tinyurl.com/kana G1, kana group 1 for our online quiz. Again, when we do our quizzes and self-tests, short tests, our objective is to get a perfect score. So please answer multiple times, several times, learn from your mistakes until you get a perfect score. Okay, let's go to the next page. We also have a writing self-test. Please do this in your notebook. In the next page, we have our answer key. Okay, so that is Katakana Group 1. Hi, thank you for joining us for our Katakana Group 1 session. See you in Group 2. はい、お疲れ様でした。またね。